Hello from the 2019 Global Legal Hackathon Finals Gala in New York City, New York. I'm Laurence Colletti. I'm the host for today's show. And joining me now, I have a new person who I've talked with briefly before. Paula, she is joining me from Team YouSolve, and she is all the way from Brazil. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Awesome. So you came in, introduced yourself, and you said you were going to win. Did that happen?
Yeah, it did not.
It did not?
No. But I'm thinking we probably got second place, but they don't say that, but it was pretty close.
It was pretty close?
Definitely.
Awesome. So you guys are from Manaus, right? Did I get it right?
Yeah.
Manaus, Brazil. And so you guys had 7 people on your team?
Yes, we do. We have 3 developers.
Okay.
A designer.
Okay.
A lawyer.
Wow.
And 2 persons responsible for business. That is like me. I'm a production engineering. And the other one, it's financial thing. She's the CFO. No,
CFO,
works
Chief Financial
money.
Officer.
Yeah.
That's good. You got to have somebody that works with money.
Yeah, definitely, right?
Yes, I agree. You got to have that. So, well, let's tell me about your team members. So you've got all their names, and some of them aren't here, and so maybe we should give them a little bit of a credit. So
yes, please.
Can you tell us who they are? And
yes, we got Vinicius Almeida.
Okay.
He's a developer. We got Janiele Neves, who's also a developer. Edison Pimenta.
Okay.
Developer as well. We got Charlene Gualberto, our designer. Samine Albuquerque, who is our CFO. Me, Paula Faria, and our lawyer and CEO, Juliana Fonseca.
Not that I need to guess, but who's the team leader?
Juliana is not
What?
me.
It's not you.
I know, right?
You charge in here like you own the place. I just assume that you own
We are just all cool girls. Juliana, me, Samini, we just run the place.
That's somebody's got to do it, I suppose. So, tell me about it. So tell me about YouSolve. Tell me about the product you guys produced.
Okay, so it's a platform that you can solve your consumer problems online. You just access online. It's www.yousolveonline.com. So you access the platform. It got 2 or 3 questions, and then you see your rights right away. Like if you lose a flight, the flight got canceled, you can go online and say, okay, flight canceled or delayed more than 4 hours, your rights on the screen. So the first steps, you can know your rights. After that, if you have a problem with a company, you can make a proposal agreement and try to negotiate with the company online. So you don't have to sue the company. You can just have an agreement and get it solved quickly.
So this is, I think I remember from the description, there's 3 different tiers that it operates within. So
yes.
Walk me through the 3 tiers.
Okay, so it's the consumer,
okay,
the company,
okay,
and the lawyer as well.
Okay. Walk me through each one of those. So let's start with the consumer. So the consumer's got a problem. They're on the flight, they're late, and something happens, and they need to know their rights. So how do they interact? Do they type it in? They speak to the phone? Is it an app? How does it work?
It's not an app yet.
Okay.
Now it's a platform. It's a website. You just choose the answers. First of all, you choose a topic. You just click on aviation, and then it's going to be what is the problem? Delayed, canceled, luggage. You just click on it. So it's quite easy to go through it. And if you're a lawyer, the consumer can contact you if it doesn't feel comfortable enough to negotiate by itself on the platform. So the lawyer area, it's for that. And for the company, we are still developing for that, but they can be a customer can make a proposal agreement to them, or they can use the platform to make a lot of agreements at the same time. So there'll be less costs with the lawyers of their own.
So do you guys have an operating viable product right now? Is it actually working?
It is. We got an MVP, and that works with aviation problems.
Okay, and you guys have unveiled this in Brazil?
Yes.
And do you guys have customers right now?
We have a platform that is tested a lot, but it's not on the market yet. So we cannot call it a customer yet, but it's next step, right? we're coming for it.
Okay, so I understand you guys didn't win, obviously disappointed, but you guys came a long ways. I mean, from thousands upon thousands of participants, you guys made it to the last round with 12 teams. So
Yes.
is this a company business interest going forward? Or are you guys are figuring that out? Or
It is. No, it is. You said that you're disappointed at all. We're actually not disappointed. We are happy to be here. Like, we are happy we came this far. We know we did a good job. Our pitch was good. But none of this actually matter. Would be good to win. It would. But it's a business already. Like, we are working on to make this portable viable. We are working on to put it on air and making money out of it and helping a lot of people.
have you figured out who owns what?
Like what?
Like in terms of percentage, or is it just you three that owns the
No.
whole company right now?
I own the whole thing now. We are still arguing a little bit about that. Like, not arguing, but we have to sit down and put it on terms. So we are still working on it.
Okay, well, that's good. I mean, you guys have serious interest in moving forward, and it sounds like it's going to be a lot of fun.
It is. It definitely is.
Well, speaking of fun, you guys are in New York City, and we are done with the hackathon. And apparently, the Global Legal Hackathon is buying the first round downstairs.
Hey ho, let's go.
So, in addition to going to the Global Legal Hackathon's first round buyage down there with the drinks at the club, what else are you guys going to do tonight?
Well, actually, we are just going to the party and, like, tonight, going home, have a rest, then wake up in the morning and start working on business back again and just keep going.
Okay. Well, one last question for you. I know you guys want to get rolling here, start your evening. If our listeners, they want to ask questions about your company, about yourselves, they want to talk with you for various reasons associated with your business, how can they find you?
Okay, so they can find us at our email, which is contact@yousolveonline.com, or they can follow us at our social medias. We have an Instagram that is @YouSolve. We have a Facebook account. We have Twitter account. Just look for YouSolve. You'll find us.
Are you guys pretty good at the Insta?
Yeah, they are. They're just filming right now. Can you say hi for our followers?
Hi. I'm trying to learn about the Insta. I just got on the Instagram, and I'm not very good at it. I share like pictures of me getting stung by stingrays, and it's nobody's liking my stuff.
Yeah, you're gonna do it better. We
Okay.
can teach you something.
I'll work on it. I'll work on it.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we've. All right. Well, we've reached the end of the road for today's episode. I want to thank our guests for joining us today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Also want to thank our listeners for tuning in. If you like what you heard, please subscribe, rate, and review us in Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, or best yet, your favorite podcasting app. I'm Laurence Colletti signing off from the 2019 Global Legal Hackathon Finals Gala here in New York City. Until next time, thank you for listening.
If you'd like more information about what you've heard today, please visit LegalTalkNetwork.com. Subscribe via iTunes and RSS. Find us on Twitter and Facebook, or download our free Legal Talk Network app in Google Play and iTunes. The views expressed by the participants of this program are their own and do not represent the views of, nor are they endorsed by, Legal Talk Network, its officers, directors, employees, agents, representatives, shareholders, and subsidiaries. None of the content should be considered legal advice. As always, consult a lawyer.